we got more snow. So GTR is covered. I will clean it and then put it back in the garage. But until then, let's go work on this girl. What do you say? Put those back on. So these are 275 3019s, right? Thick boys with a plus 15 offset. The stocks, ew. What are they run? Like 225? Yeah, 225, 55, 17. Yuck. So we're gonna throw them back on my girl. Oh, she's gonna look good. Clean her off. We'll be sitting right. So, let's get to it. I mean, just look at the tire difference, bro. It's insane. Stock. Dumb. What I got. Look at that. Take 275s, take my whole hand. Swallow a 225. No Diddy, right? Is that a no Diddy call? You have stock fitment. Absolute garbage. Look at that. Ew. I mean, just ew. And then you have aftermarket fitment. That's better. Still ill on the Gap, but it's a daily. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that just sit better? That sits way better than this, right? So I got some good news, I got some okay news, maybe some scary news. Well, not really scary, but you know, might change up a few things. Anyways, we got snowed in again. So, yeah, there's that. I'm supposed to be having parts come today. Parts of the GTR. A bunch of packages delivered to the house today. Besides my stuff, I think we're supposed to have like 5 packages come today. And then if you add on my strut bars, my sway bars, my headlights, I mean, we're talking about a lot of stuff. And when I tell you that they ship that stuff overnight from Japan.
If we have to overnight parts from Japan.
It didn't leave. Oh, what was it? It didn't leave Japan until our time yesterday. Sorry, not last night. Our time yesterday, it left Japan like midday. And then it was like 8:19 p.m. and it left Japan. And it got into the States this morning to Kentucky. And it's already in Roanoke and on the way here. So, you saw I got the Q50 back. That's tough. So, yeah. Let's have some fun with it. So, I'll give a full spec list on the Q50. There's not a lot done to it. Yeah, and y'all rocking the Q50, follow me. You know, if you have any questions about what will fit, what'll work, hit me up. I'll answer anyone and everyone. But yeah, until next time, peace.